Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And as you can see from the chart, we're looking at the US dollar has hit new lows. And this comes on commentary from US Secretary Steven Mnuchin, who made comments in the Global Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland today, saying that he welcomes its weakness. And that's also pushed the rest of the stock market down from record highs today in the negative territory, which we'll take a look at in a second. But as you can see, the US dollar currently trading at 89.10, below that $90 level today with a chart analysis score of plus 100, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still strong to the downside, and we continue to look for the US dollar to head lower from there. And we'll go back and we'll back our charts up here a couple, and we'll take a look at the S&P 500, who had hit a new record high of 2,852.97 before sliding down to a current level at 2,831.13, down almost 0.3% on the day. However, the chart analysis score remains plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up, just coming under a little bit of weakness today, but we should see the S&P 500 continue higher. Key level to watch would be 2,682.36. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently is sitting at 26,208.69 after hitting a record high of 26,392.80 earlier in the day, where it was up as much as 175 points. Relatively unchanged at the moment for the day, with a chart analysis score of plus 90, indicating that overall the long trend is still up for the Dow Jones. Key level to watch remains 24,471.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Nasdaq's biggest faller of the day so far, after hitting a record high of 7,486.32 in early trading, with a chart analysis score plus 90. However, it is down 0.8% on the day, trading at 7,398.95. Key level to watch for the Nasdaq will be 6,924.08. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. And I actually forgot to give you your key level to watch for the US dollar will be 92.36. Move above that level would give you a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Crude oil currently up at 64.83. We did get that green daily trade triangle at 64.13 that I gave you on Monday to enter a long position for the short-term time frame. Chart analysis scores plus 100. Crude oil is gaining strength on declining stockpiles, and look for an article from our contributor tomorrow, Robert Basligo, outlining where he sees crude oil heading this year. Key level to watch would be 63.05. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for crude oil. And gold experiencing some strength today, currently trading at 1353.20, up a little over 1% on the day. We did get a green daily trade triangle yesterday at 1338.20 that I gave you on Monday as a key level to watch to get in long position gold. Currently chart analysis scores plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, so we are looking for gold to head higher. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at Williams and Sonoma, which one of the trades that we're in is experiencing a sell-off today, down about 3.5% on the day, with the chart analysis score moving to plus 55, indicating that the long-term trend is coming under some weakness. We'd been hoping to see it get above 56 and break out of that level, but it looks like there is some selling pressure today. Key level to watch would be 51.48. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position for Williams and Sonoma. And our Alibaba trade is actually starting to pay dividends, as we had gotten in on the monthly trade triangle back here at 191.75. As you can see, opened the day 195, had hit a high of 198.86, getting close to that $200 level for Alibaba. However, as the markets come under pressure from the US dollar and comments coming out of Davos, it has backed down a little bit. Still up 1% on the day, trading at 194.33. Key level to watch remains 175.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. I'll go ahead and wrap it up with one more look at Bitcoin today. Up about 3% on the day. However, we still have a mixed picture with a green monthly trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle, indicating that we are in a sidelines position with an overall chart analysis score -70. It's up about 2.25% on the day, right around that $11,000 level where it seems to be hanging out for the last week or so. Key level to watch remains 17,090.52. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great trading day. I'll be back Friday to wrap up the week that was in the markets.